Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, everyone. This is Poe Hser. In this video, I will be teaching some basic Korean words and phrases. So this will be my first video teaching Korean language. So I hope you learn something out of this. So let's start.
Rollerie, rollerie, nilerie, nilerie, halerie, halerie, nalerie, nalerie, Thakula tibana, Thakula tibana, Neochua, Neochua, Yeochu, Yeochu, Yeotechuba, Yeotechuba, Yeotesuke soba, Yeotechuke soba, Numidile, Numidile. Yumi me, and that's your name. Yumi me. Natha o puenile. Natha o puenile. Yitha o, your age, ni. Yitha o, ni. No o hepele. No o hepele. Yehele, the country or place. Yehele. Nagato or Nete Kola Globa. Nagato Kola Globa. Me Yete Kola Globa. Me Yete Kola Globa. Yete Kola Glo te Baba. Yete Kola Glo te Baba. Nagato or Nete Kanyo Globa. Nagato Mitami Nete Kanyo Globa. Me Yete Kanyo Globa. Me Yete Kanyo Globa. Yete Kanyo Glo te Baba. Yete Kanyo Glo te Baba. Tilo Thalaki. Tilo Thalaki. W. W.
Okay, so as you go through this video, you notice that I only speak in Korean throughout each word or phrases. The reason is that I wanted you to feel how it is to speak in Korean. So I only speak in Korean through all the words and the phrases as we go through the videos. And if you want me to speak in both languages, comment down below so I know what you are expected to learn for this video, like for the future's videos. And in this video, you also notice that there's 3 parts of each word or phrases. So this is the very first word in the videos. It is golege. Golege is good morning in English. The first part is Korean. Korean. The second part is on how to say it in Korean, like the pronunciation of this word. And this is the definition. So in this video, every word and phrases has their own definition and their word and their pronunciation here. So if you does not know about this, you can go back and watch the video, and I hope that you learn something out of these videos. And if you want to learn Korean from me in the futures, don't forget to turn on the notification and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.